Yes, thank you.
My name is Claude.
Wow. And you?
Elisa.
Wow. Where you from?
France.
Right. Wow.
Yes.
How long have you been here?
5 hours.
Five. Wow. How do you feel?
Sorry.
Get in.
Kind, but I don't know. Just arriving. You're the first person we are talking to. So.
How many do you visit Vietnam?
We go to Hanoi. HU.
Yes.
I know.
Huế, Huế à?
Oh yeah.
Huế,
Hoa.
Hội An,
Ho Chi Minh.
Hồ Chí Minh,
You know Sapa?
Sapa?
Sapa.
Yeah, but we don't have time.
I know. Yes. How do you feel about me?
About what?
How do you feel about me?
We don't know. We think we just arrived. So
Ah, yes.
we've not been there yet.
How do you feel weather today?
Not very sunny. It's very sunny and cold.
And
How do you feel the food? Food.
We don't know. We just arrived. We just had strawberry juice. So,
do you mind if I know where do you come from?
friends.
France?
France.
That's it.
Yes.
English is not popular in Vietnam.
Is what?
English is not popular in Vietnam and is a big problem to you.
Sorry.
Sorry, my pronounce
We don't know yet because we've not been speaking to many people. But in the restaurant, we just show what we want.
You can say I love Vietnam. You can say you love Vietnam.
do you love Vietnam?
So far, yes.
Yes.
I'm really happy when I hear it. Because we are Vietnamese. Yes. We are students and do you want to try some students if you love Vietnam, you can say tôi yêu Vietnam.
Tôi yêu
Nice voice. Really.
How do you say merci, thank you?
Yeah, thank you. Cảm ơn.
Goodbye.
Let's try. Cảm ơn. Yes. Nice.
And hello. Morning.
Yes. Hello. Xin chào. Xin chào. It's very simple. Yes. Xin chào. Yeah.
I'm just gonna say xin chào.
Why?
Easiest.
And many people Vietnamese love France because France country is very developing. My dream in my future I this country. Yes.
And do you think you will go to France one day to visit?
Yes. Maybe in my future. Yes. I will try. And Sicilian and Haitian boys. And now, yes. Halloween is your beach. And do you play sports in France? Yes. What are sports? You know? What are sports? What are sports? Yes. No problem. Yes.
Okay.
Uh,
Thank you very much.
Can you